Hare Krishna. So in Vrindavan, there are quite a terrible situation for many of the Brijvasis due to the floods. And I am very, very grateful to Trikalagya Prabhu and his whole team of Govardhan Institute of Vedic Education, who are doing a tremendous job in helping relieve some of the difficulties of the Brijvasis. We can't do much here from the UK directly, but we can help financially with our resources. All of the current resources that GIVE is being used for helping these needy personalities in the holiest of all holy dhams. And if we can't help at this time, when can we help? Right? When are we going to ever help? So this is a time of need, and we are very fortunate that we have amazing devotees who care so much, and they are putting their full effort, and we can support them by assisting in financially at least. So please, whatever you are able to give from your heart, do so. We collecting in London Institute of Vedic Education for the UK donors, and these funds will be transferred to GIVE. Hare Krishna.